Oh, look at this little grandma. She kind of reminds me of my grandma. And this is her before. What did they do to grandma? Beautiful young woman. I think she's like in her 30s, looks like. Oh my gosh. So let's just show her before and her after photos. Now this is not far after surgery, and you can see before surgery she's a beautiful young woman, does not need any plastic surgery. Now I think she's probably already had some. It looks like her eyelids have already been done. Now in her after photo you can see, I mean, what's going on with her earlobes, first of all? They're sticking like way, way out. This is just unnecessary plastic surgery. He kind of looks a little like my dad. He doesn't look like my dad anymore. We're kind of almost used to seeing Asian women undergo a lot of plastic surgery, and it's not as shocking, I think, because it is so he appears to have had an open brow lift, which is a brow lift where you have an incision on the front of your hairline. He appears to have had a facelift where everything is pulled up and back. He's had his upper and lower eyelids done as well. Now, the open brow lift is a surgery that is really not that commonly done, and one of the main reasons why is because you have this big scar right at the front of your hairline. Now, if your hairline stays stable for the rest of your life, then that scar can be kind of hidden, but not really, because it never really looks all that good in my opinion. So, white guy, Caucasian guy. What did they do to this dude? So unless he's some type of an expat, he literally traveled from the United States to China, I think is where this Dr. Kim is at, and had all these procedures done. And you can see, like the last gentleman, he doesn't look anything like he started with. It looks like he's had the exact same procedures as the last guy, and once again, he's got that scar right in front of his hairline that is not going to look good in the next few years, as his hairline likely will continue to recede. On top of that, his face is so pulled tight that this is definitely not an ideal result, even at just 7 days afterwards. Okay, now this is a beautiful woman in her 30s, maybe early 40s at the most. And now she looks 12? There is this tendency in East Asia to overdo plastic surgery, and beautiful young woman, my guess is she's in her 40s. She's 2 days out. Now 15 days out, she's looking pretty good. And 30 days, she looks fantastic. And she looks happy with her results, which really is the most important thing. I do not believe that it is safe for a 78-year-old woman to undergo 8 to 10 hours of facial cosmetics.